How to change currency on Binance. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Binance on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, at the bottom, click on Trade. After you've clicked on Trade, you'll find this kind of screen. At the top, click on Buy and Sell. In here, besides zero, that's your currency. Simply click on the arrow. You'll find different currency list. You can also click on search at the top and search for the currency you want. After you've done that, simply click on the currency, and after that you can simply type in your number and it will convert it to that currency. This is how to change currency on Binance. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.